Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and disconnecting everything. Safety first. Open the case or laptop panel and do a quick visual inspection for dust, broken fins, or loose heat pipe joints. Once done, remove fans and heatsink covers gently. Make sure to note screw locations. Use compressed air in short bursts to clear visible dust and set components aside in order. This quick initial pass prevents accidental damage and prepares you for targeted cleaning and thermal material replacement. Now focus on the heat transfer interface. Clean the CPU and GPU die with 90% plus isopropyl until no residue remains, then dry. You should apply a pea-sized or thin line of quality thermal paste. This fills microscopic gaps and improves conductivity. Reseat the heatsink carefully and tighten mounting screws in a crisscross sequence to ensure even pressure. Once reseated, reattach fans, check fan spin freely, and plug everything back. These steps restore optimal contact and typically reduce throttling significantly. Finish by powering up and running a controlled stress or benchmark while monitoring temperatures and clock speeds. You want to confirm sustained lower temps. If you still see thermal spikes, tweak fan curves in BIOS or software and consider a mild undervolt to lower heat output. Once tuned, recheck stability for at least 30-60 minutes. If problems persist after these adjustments, double-check heatsink seating and paste coverage. Reseating or a second paste attempt often fixes remaining hotspots.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.